Alright, let's talk about the world. You think you know it? You've seen the postcards, the Eiffel Tower, the pyramids, the Great Wall, fantastic, iconic, absolutely worth the trip, but that's just the highlight reel. The world has a wild side. These spots don't just show you a new country, and they show a different version of Earth. They challenge what's possible. They're hidden wonders waiting for grit and curiosity. Forget the guidebooks, let's go off map. We're about to embark on a race to the world's most unbelievable destinations. This isn't about getting there first. It's about soaking it all in. Let these strange and beautiful places change your perspective. The moments that stick aren't always landmarks. They're the detours. Ready, on your mark, get set, go. The world's hidden wonders are calling. And you're going to want to answer. Pack your bags, lace up your shoes, get ready. The journey starts now. We're just getting started. This isn't a checklist. It's a portal into the strange and the unforgettable. First stop, New Zealand. First stop, New Zealand, Waitomo. First stop, New Zealand. We're heading underground into the Waitomo glowworm caves. Imagine drifting on a small boat in absolute silence and darkness. Then you look up. The ceiling isn't rock anymore. It's a galaxy. Thousands upon thousands of tiny blue-green lights twinkle above you, creating a subterranean Milky Way. They're glowworms. Tiny creatures running one of nature's most intimate light shows. It's quiet, it's beautiful, it's utterly unforgettable. You feel like you've floated into another dimension. A place where nature hangs its own constellations. Now let's trade that darkness for dazzling light. We're jetting off to Peru, to the Vinicunca Rainbow Mountain. For centuries it was a local secret, hidden under snow and ice. But as the climate changed, it revealed its true colors. The mountain is striped with layers of turquoise, lavender, gold, maroon. It looks like a giant, sleeping giant draped in a painter's blanket. It's a tough trek to get there, high up in the Andes. You'll be gasping for air. But your breath will be taken away for a whole different reason. What makes these places special is how they play with your senses. The glowworms are part of a delicate ecosystem. And the colors of Vinicunca tell a geological story millions of years in the making. These places spark your curiosity and make you ask, how is this even possible? And trust me, we're just getting started. Next, a place that looks like another planet. Next up, a place that looks like it belongs on another planet. Welcome to the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia. One of the hottest places on Earth. One of the lowest and driest too. It's a landscape forged by fire and salt. You'll see bubbling sulfur springs, neon yellow, orange, green. It's like walking through an alien chemistry set. The ground crunches under your feet, the air is thick with the smell of sulfur. It's harsh, it's extreme, and one of the most visually stunning places you will ever witness. Now let's do a complete 180. Our next destination, Iceland. We're exploring the Skaftafell ice caves, temporary tunnels inside Europe's largest glacier. Walls of pure sapphire blue ice surround you. Sunlight filters through the dense glacier. It feels like you're standing inside a frozen wave, or a massive gemstone. It's a truly humbling experience, a reminder of the raw power and delicate beauty of ice. These caves form in winter and melt in summer, making every visit a unique, once-in-a-lifetime moment. They are polar opposites, yet both are alive and changing. Visiting them is like getting a backstage pass to see how Earth works. A powerful lesson in the relentless forces that shape our planet. They're not comfortable destinations, but they inspire awe and respect. Let's shift gears. From natural wonders to human ingenuity. How about a town built inside a volcano? No, I'm not kidding. Head to the tiny island of Aogashima, a volcanic caldera south of Tokyo. A small community of about 170 people lives inside the crater. And inside that crater, there's another smaller volcano cone. It's a volcano within a volcano. Villagers live quietly, farming and fishing, with a natural geothermal sauna in the middle of town. It's people adapting and living with a powerful natural force. From a volcano, let's travel to a cliffside. Meet Castellfollit de la Roca in Spain. This entire village is perched precariously on a narrow basalt cliff, over 160 feet high. Nearly a kilometer-long houses built right up to the edge. You can look out your window and see nothing but a sheer drop. Walking through narrow medieval streets feels like a balancing act. It's a testament to human determination. For Aogashima, the volcano is life. Heat, fertile soil, culture. Living on the edge fosters resilience and interconnectedness. You have to rely on your neighbors when you live on the edge, or inside a crater. These are living communities, not just tourist attractions. They thrive not by conquering nature, but by respecting and adapting to its rules. Aogashima and Castel Follet redefine what a hometown can be. They are a testament to the strength and spirit of the people who build them. No matter how challenging the location, they thrive together. They are truly living on the edge and they wouldn't have it any other way. Ready for the final sprint? So there you have it. A quick sprint around the globe to places that defy belief. We drifted through caves lit by living stars, trekked up a mountain painted like a rainbow, walked across alien landscapes, stood inside a frozen blue wave, visited communities thriving inside volcanoes and on cliffs. And this is just a tiny sample. The world is packed with wonders that stretch your imagination, inspire you, and connect you to the world in a profound way. They push you out of your comfort zone. They remind you that there is still so much to discover and learn. Traveling to these places isn't just about photos, it's about the stories you'll tell, and the perspective you'll gain. The world's greatest masterpieces aren't all in museums, some you can walk through. Don't just dream about these places, don't just watch them on a screen. Start planning, pick one, do the research, figure out how to get there. The journey might be challenging, but that's part of the adventure. That's where the best stories come from. The world is full of twists, turns, detours, and roadblocks, but the finish line is always worth it. Seeing something truly extraordinary with your own eyes, no one can take that away from you. This is your adventure. So what are you waiting for? The world is ready for you. Find your own hidden wonders. Create your own amazing race. Go out there and explore. Be curious. Be bold. Be prepared to be amazed. This world is far more incredible than you can imagine. Travel safe. I'll see you out there. Subscribe for more strange and beautiful places.